Today I'm going to show you how to make something super fun, light and absolutely delicious. Whipped cream clouds. These fluffy frozen treats are perfect for topping your hot drink, your dessert, and even enjoying as a snack on their own. If you're new here, my name is Severine, and on this channel, I share my favorite keto carnivore recipes because I believe eating an animal-based diet can be simple, delicious, and so satisfying. Ingredients. Basically, all you need is a cup of double cream or heavy cream for our friends in the US, or you can also use whipping cream. Then there are a lot of optional ingredients for endless possibilities, especially if you're not strictly carnivore. As a sweetener, I'd suggest 1 tablespoon of honey or the sweetener of your choice. For flavor, you could use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or some 100% cocoa powder or ground cinnamon or almond extract. The list is endless. For a touch of fun, why not try food coloring? Personally, I wouldn't, but depending on the season or the use, this could be a great option. Or lastly, for garnishing, if you're not strictly carnivore, you can use chocolate shavings or chocolate chips, but also perhaps pieces of fresh fruits like berries or some chopped nuts. Honestly, anything is possible. As for utensils, we need a small tray or small baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I say small because it needs to be small enough to fit in the freezer. And another tip, before you're starting, double check there is enough space in your freezer to chill our little clouds. Instructions. This is my little secret for the fluffiest cream. Pop your mixing bowl, especially if it's a stainless steel, and the beaters in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Trust me, it makes a difference. That's because cold cream whips more easily and holds its shape better as the fat in the creams stays solidified, which is crucial for creating stable peaks. If the cream is too warm, it may not be whipped properly or could become over-whipped more quickly. So for the best result, just make sure the ingredient is cold as well as the bowl and the whisk. Once your tools are nice and cold, pour in the cream of your choice in the bowl, grab your mixer and beat it on medium speed until it starts to thicken. Now it's time to sweeten things up if you want to. Add the sweetener of your choice, any extra flavor you will have decided to add. Keep whipping until you get those soft peaks. Be careful not to overdo it. We want it fluffy, not buttery. Now for the fun part, shaping our clouds. Grab a tray or baking sheet, line it with parchment paper, and use a spoon or a piping bag to create little cloud shapes. Depending on the time you have or what you want to achieve, you'll use one or the other. I'll show you first with a spoon how I do it, and then how I'm doing with piping bag. I don't actually have a piping bag, so what I do is use a plastic bag, insert the nose thing at the end, cut the corner, and then fill it with cream. And then I'm just doing whatever I need to do. You can keep them classic white or add any garnish of your choice. I'm adding a bit of cocoa leaves. Once your clouds are ready, pop the tray in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours or until they're firm. And here they are, your frozen whipped cream clouds, ready to enjoy. Look at that. It's like magic. These clouds melt into creamy perfection. Honestly, they are as fun to make as they are good to eat. Best way for me to keep them is in a plastic bag in the freezer so that when I fancy one, I've got one just right there, ready for me. That's it for today, my friends. These fabulous whipped cream clouds are simple, fun to make, and absolutely delicious. If you're going to give this a try, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye now!